Putting it on your butt. Oh. Yeah, putting it on your butt.
Done.
All done? Putting it on your butt.
This one's
all done? You want to open? That one's completely closed up, never been open. Nope, can't get in it. Nope, can't get in it. Mama doesn't want it. And by that, of course, I mean, of course I want some on my hand. Hey, can you rub it in for Mommy? Oh, thank you. Should we clean up? Looks like it's on your butt. On your butt. On your butt. Not on Mommy's hand. On George's. Not on Mommy's face, you silly goose. On George's butt. Hey. Hey. Thank you. Okay. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.